Good morning everyone. This is 310 Pro Max disc brake. If your brake making sound, squeaky sound, it's come from this disc brake when you ride your bicycle. You just have to use these screwdriver, hex wrench, small and large, and cleaning with alcohol. Just use this one and unscrew this and make sure it's not tight, and tight it back and use the this hex wrench. This is important. And there's, if you go other side, you can see there is one spot here, this one, and you just have to loosen a little bit. It will go not that far, so when you loosen you can see your brake pad on your right side will move freely, and the left side it stays. It doesn't bother the left side when you tighten or loosen that one. And then there will no any squeaky noise. And make sure just use alcohol based and clean your disc brake. Clean this side and inner side, rotate half, and then clean outside and inside, and then use screwdriver and remove this part, this clip, and make sure it's not tightened. And if it is tightened, just stretch, so it will push your brake pad left and right further, so then after there will no any squeaky noise. And that's the way to fix it. And I fixed my bicycle. I couldn't find anything online in YouTube, everything like so complicated. They have to loosen this and that. You only have to, you don't even have to touch this or this. Just loosen this side and clean your disc brake. That's it. Same goes for your front disc brake. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.